Hi children, good morning. In this link we are going to see the subject English. Up to previous link we completed term 1 and also we are revising the term 1 in live online classes, right? Daily I am asking oral questions to each and every student. Yes or no? Yes. I am asking oral test for English new words, question answers, exercise part, and then EVS new words, question answers, computer new words, question answers, GK, value education, everything I am asking question oral test. I am keeping oral test in online live class, right? Yes or no? Yes, very good. For English, we already completed term 1, all exercise, book exercise, chapter explanations, and then CW writing, everything we completed. And also I am making you to read and learn also new words, exercise part, question answers daily in live classes, and also I am giving homework. Yes or no? Yes. Now today we are going to touch the term 2. Okay children? Today we are going to touch the term 2. So in this link we are going to see the subject chapter 2, Naughty Karan. What is the chapter name? Naughty Karan. Naughty means what? Always doing some things, bad things. That is the naughty. So much. Whatever we are telling, that naughty fellow will not listen to that. He will do some other else. Here, that naughty boy, what is going to do, that we are going to see in this lesson. So for the name Karan, he is a boy. For that boy itself, name is become Naughty Karan. He is doing some bad things. That's why he get that name, Naughty Karan. Okay children, naughty means doing bad things like pinching others, pushing others, poking others, like that. So he is doing all naughty things for his friends. That's why he has got the name Naughty Karan. So everyone take your term 2 book, open page number 6. See here, term 2 book, open page number 6, English chapter 2, Naughty Karan. Listen me, keep your finger here and follow me, okay? This is the chapter name, Naughty Karan. See here. Here we go. Some pictures are given. I will read that, and what we have to do I will explain now. Okay. Which of these are examples of good behaviors and which are bullying? So in the 4 pictures are given. In that 4 pictures we have to find which is a good behavior and which are bullying. Bullying means bad behaving. So first one, see, one boy is pushing another boy. So it is a good behavior or bullying behavior? It is a bullying behavior. So down you have to write here bullying. Okay, right here first picture under you have to write bullying. First letter capital letter write and then bullying. Right, bullying. Next one, see, next picture what? One girl and one boy are sitting and reading the book. So it is a very good behavior. So there under this picture you write good behavior. G-O-O-D, good. P-E-H-A-V-I-O-U-R, good behavior. Okay children, now see the third picture. See this boy what doing? Yes, he is doing a naughty behavior. This is a naughty. So it is bullying. Third one is bullying. B-U-L-L-Y-I-N-G, bullying. Next, fourth one, see, this boy is helping for the old woman. So this is a good behavior. So fourth picture under right, good behavior. Okay children? Yes, very good. Now keep your finger here. We are going to read the story. See, read this story to find out how a naughty boy learns a lesson. Okay, first in this lesson they are telling about the naughty boy. What are all the naughty things he is doing, and then at last how he is changed his behavior to a good boy. That is only we are going to see. How he changing his behavior, because of what? So that reason only we are going to see in this story, and also what are all the naughty things he is going to do, that are also we are going to see in this story by reading. Okay, everyone keep your finger here and follow me. Okay children? Yes, very good. See, in a colony of Delhi, in Delhi one colony is there. In a colony of Delhi lives a young boy called Karan. He is the boy Karan. Here lesson itself, naughty boy. Where he is living? He is living in the Delhi. In Delhi where? Colony. So in a colony of Delhi lives a young boy. He is a young boy. He is studying school. So young boy called Karan. His name is Karan. He likes to tease all the boys and girls in the school. He is going to school. In school what he is doing? He is teasing others. Teasing means beating, pinching, pushing, poking. Poking means like this, sharp item and keep on them. So that is poking. These are all the things he is doing. For whom he is doing? His friends, girlfriends and the boy's friend. Who is doing? Who is doing? Yes, Karan is doing. Karan where he is living? In Delhi. Delhi where he is living? Colony. So listen. He likes to tease all the boys and girls in school. He pinches them or pokes them with the pin. Okay, pin. With the pin he is pinching. Pinching means like this. Poking means like this. And then pushing. All naughty things he is doing. Who is doing? Karan. Karan is doing. Listen. He pinches them or pokes them with the pin. When they try to stop him, who is trying to? Friends are making Karan to stop him. He pinches them even harder. That time what he is doing again? He is hardly pinching and poking. If the friends are making to Karan stop, but that time what the Karan is doing? He is hardly again and again poking and pinches. So no one likes Karan. So in the school all the girls and all the boys don't like the Karan. Why they don't like the Karan? Because he is doing all naughty things, bad things like poking, pinching, pushing, all other things, bad habits. He is having all other bad habits like pushing and poking and pinching. He is feeling that he is very happy, but he is not understanding that these are all bad behavior. Later on he will understand that. How he is understand? By reading we will know that. Okay, now all the girls and boys in the school, they like the Karan? No, they don't like the Karan, because that boy is always pinching, poking, pushing others. So when the children are trying to stop that, they are telling to the Karan, stop. But that time what he is doing? He is more and more hardly doing the same thing for the children. So all the children don't like the Karan. See, no one likes Karan. You are also doing like that, children? No, you are all very good children. Like you are not doing for these things for your friends, right? Anybody is pushing your friends while playing or poking or pinching? No, these are all very bad habit. If you are having also, don't do that, don't follow that. Change your behavior. Okay, but my children are very good children. I know that. Okay, now listen. We are going to read the second paragraph. See, one day the class goes for a picnic to the park. One day class is going for the picnic park. In grade 1, children, all the children, where you went for picnic? In grade 1 I am asking. Yes, you went for zoo park, right? Yes, like that here. Where they are going? They are going for park. Where you went in grade 1? Yes, zoo park we all went, right? Yes or no? All 4 sections. We went for zoo park, right? Yes, like this. Here they are going for the park. All the class children, they are going. All the children were excited. You are also excited, right? teacher, what we have to bring? We have to bring water, lunch, snacks, like that you asked, right, before day. Like that here also children are very, very excited. See, they sit in the bus with their friends. You are also went with the bus, right? Like that here also children are going with the school bus. See here, they sit in the bus with their friends. And then, but Karan sits alone. But Karan alone, sitting alone. Why? Because he is a naughty boy. He is not making friends with the other children. He is always beating others, pinching others, pushing others, poking others. So no one children is sitting with the Karan. He is sitting alone in the bus. But he is not feeling sad. He is thinking, I am very happy. So see here, in the bus with their friends, but Karan sit alone. Nobody wants to sit next to him. Okay children, nobody, no one children in the class are ready to sit near with the Karan because he always beat others. Because of the fear, no one is coming to the near to the Karan and not sitting with the Karan. Near to the Karan, the seat is empty. All other children were sitting with the pairs. While going to the zoo, we are also made you as a pair, right? 2 members. You joined the hands and 2 members walked and went, right? You are remember. I hope all are remember that. 2 children were paired up and you went for the zoo park, right? In the bus. Yes. Like that also here they are going. But for the Karan, no one is there. He is sitting alone. Okay children. Up to this everyone understand this? Page number 6. Today I explained the page number 6. Next class we will see the remaining part. Okay children. Up to this you please listen the link carefully and read one more time in your home also. Okay. Yes, very good. Thank you.